Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Currently drinking my smoothie. I've been doing my hair a little bit different lately, and I thought I'd show you guys how I do it. It gives very Y2K vibes. I start with my hair just like freshly dried out of the shower. It dries naturally wavy, especially now that it's short. So I take my little waver. This is the Bondi Boost Wave Wand, I believe. I've had it for a while, and I'll literally just take random pieces and just give it a little bit of a wave, and then I do these little pigtails, which I'll show you in a second. See, so it just gives it like a nice wave, and then I'll take this down and do the other layer. And before I start going through and waving all of this, I like to put my hair up in the two little pigtails that it's gonna be in. And I try to make sure they're even, but that's like the hardest part. Then I'll just take these two little pieces and clip them out of the way while I wave the rest of it. This is how I've been doing my hair lately. I really like it. It gives me like Lizzie McGuire Y2K vibes. I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll see you guys after. Okay, before I get dressed for the day, I have a quick little haul for you guys. The first thing I ordered online were actually these sneakers. They're the Adidas Gazelles. If you watch my videos, you would know that I just ordered my Sambas in black and I love them so much. And I wanted like a beige, not white, but a light color pair of sneakers. And these gave me the same vibes. I really like them. They're super cute. I think they were men's. Yeah, a men's size 7. And then I ordered another pair of shoes, just these plain black sandals from Dolce Vita. I wanted like a casual pair of sandals that I could wear with a bunch of different outfits in the spring and summer. And then I ordered one top. It is this shoulder pad crop top from Rouve. I ordered it in an extra small and I probably could have sized up to a small. Yeah, how do you guys feel about shoulder pads? I kind of like them. It gives me very like 80s vibes, which I'm here for. And then I also got some jewelry from Monica Vinader. I truly love their pieces. I've had some rings from them and they're like my everyday rings. So the first thing I ordered is this little gold ring with this like blue stone in it. And then the second ring I got is just this plain silver band. Ignore my nails, I need to do them so badly. I just wanted like a thicker band to add to my silver stack, and I really like this one. And then I ordered two pairs of Huggies. I ordered little tiny silver ones. You guys can't even see them. Like the tiniest little silver Huggies, but they're so cute. Lastly, I just got these little gold Huggies. I've been on the hunt for good gold Huggies for so long, and I'm glad that I finally have them. So Tyler and I are actually about to go to the mall. I have to pick up, you know, some necessities like underwear, but I haven't been to the mall in so long. So I think I'm just gonna look around and see what fun new things they have out for spring, see what stores are popping, what stores have good stuff, what stores don't, because some just don't. We can't go out like this. Well, we could, but I don't want to. I want to wear these denim cargos that I just got from Revice. They are so comfy. I'm all here for a wide leg pant at the moment. And then honestly, I'm just gonna go with my favorite basic tees from Aritzia. I swear by these t-shirts, guys. They're from Sunday's Best. They're about $25 and they're the best t-shirts I've ever owned. Should we wear them with the Converse maybe? I think I like that. Okay. Let me know what your favorite store to shop at is right now, your favorite brand. It can be online, in person, I don't really care. I am always looking for new places to shop, new brands to become obsessed with, so that Aritzia and Zara stop getting all of my money. Let's go to the mall. Tell me what this reminds you of.
I don't know.
The shirt that I literally just thrifted.
Oh, you're right.
It's literally the same thing. This one comes with pants. It's a skirt. A little denim dress. It's cute. This is stunning. Love that. You could thrift something like this so easily. This is too lime green for me, but it's cute and I like the fabric of it. You know how I feel about my cargos. Love my cargos. I've been looking for like a black satin skirt. These are the perfect shorts. I love the finished hem on these, and I've been looking for a pair of shorts like this everywhere. I I love a all denim moment. Love it. I love the denim. It's getting a little heavy. I feel like I should go to the dressing room. That's usually my sign. I wanted to try on this two-piece set. It's from the brand Rails, but I literally just thrifted a shirt just like this a couple days ago, and I wanted to see what it looked like with the matching skirt, and it is so cute. It just is so simple and elegant. I think it's perfect for spring. I love the color and the fabric. It was really, really great quality. Next, I grabbed these Good American jeans. They were the Good American Good Legs jeans, and they were the flare style, and they fit so good. I have never owned anything Good American, never tried anything on, but these were kind of amazing, honestly. I didn't end up getting them because I have a pair of flare jeans just like this, but it would absolutely make me go for some Good American denim in the future. I grabbed a couple of things from Free People, these black or dark gray linen pants. They were cute, but they just didn't really fit my waist that well. And I also grabbed this top that was from Free People just to try the pants on with, but I did not like the top at all. But I am on the lookout for some linen pants like this. I've also been on the hunt for a simple black satin slip skirt, so I tried on this one from the Topshop area of Nordstrom's. Lots of things were wrong with it, I'll be honest. I didn't love the slit. I couldn't figure out how these little strings were supposed to be tied to look cute, and the way that the zipper was sewn in the back, it just looked cheap. It did not look good at all, so I did not get this. Denim shorts have always been a struggle for me, but I have figured out that I love a finished hem on the bottom of my shorts. I just think they are so much cuter like that, so I grabbed these ones from Topshop, and I tried a little denim on denim moment with this denim shirt, also from the Topshop section. I didn't love it. These shirts are very hit or miss on me. I did like the shorts. They were just a little bit too small. A lot of it just didn't fit right. Okay, I'm gonna get uncomfortable if you film in the middle of the mall. This is cute. The crochet skirt. This print is everywhere. A cargo skirt. This one looks so see-through. I think if I put my hand through it, yeah, it's 100% see-through. But this is so cute. I love that it's not a traditional whatever. These remind me of my dad glasses. I have no idea if these look good. These are so cute. Say Paris on them. Those are adorable. This is not me, but it's somebody. And somebody would look really good in this.
It's not as bad as you think.
No?
No. I kind of like it. You just can't see your eyes.
That's okay. I
like it.
I like that, honestly. Ooh, I like this. Where is this at? I want this. I like these little vests, little waistcoats. I think they're cute, but I haven't bought one because I don't know if they're gonna look good on me. I would never wear these because they're way too bright for me, but these are so cute. It feels different than the other one.
Yeah, I think so much.
This is a large. This might fit my head better. Too big.
Oh, I know, honey. I know you wear something like that.
No way, right?
Yeah.
It looked like a scarecrow. Do you get do you see the vibe of a scarecrow? Because that's what I see.
No.
H&M had a ton of good finds, but I only grabbed a couple of things to try on. I really wanted to try on this waistcoat vest situation because I've had my eye on a few online, but I just never pulled the trigger because I didn't know if I would like them on me, but I ended up loving this. This vest was just a little bit too big on me, and I wish it was in a different color, but I love this style and this trend. I think it is so cute, and I will definitely be purchasing one. I also tried on this zebra print linen smock dress. I don't know if it was actually linen, but it was that type of fabric, and I am so upset that I did not get this. I think I might have to go back and grab it. This print was everywhere in H&M, and I love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. I think it's so cute for spring. H&M was honestly really popping with some spring trends, so if you're looking for some stuff and you have an H&M in your area, I would definitely check it out. Okay, even though we didn't buy anything, I think that was still a successful trip to the mall. Honestly, I think I should, 1, stop hating on the mall so much, and 2, I should do that more often. I found so many cute things, and I was so impressed by the selection, not only that was in Nordstrom, but also H&M. H&M was popping coming off. I wish that like waistcoat and pants situation fit better because that was so cute, but now I know. I'm glad I was able to like go in and try on some trends that I had been eyeing online and knowing like if I like them on myself, because some things look so good on one person and they just don't work for me. But I like that they had so many of these pieces that I was looking for in stores so that I could try them and see if I liked them. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe so you don't miss next week's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!